Hey guys, this is Oscar from Empire Pro. We're a pro audio lighting video distributor here located in Los Angeles. We're at the InfoComm 2026 show, and we just want to showcase some of the highlighted brands that we carry, distribute here to contractors, AV system integrators, rental houses, production companies, and yeah, just a couple of products we have here. We have a Tour Connect 4-channel snake with a patch, 300 foot, very, very lucrative price point. We have a Yamaha DM7C compact console, very powerful little console, multiple layers, multiple channels. Don't let the small size fool you, it does a lot. We have over here to my right, this is Hollyland 8-channel comm systems. Really, really good price point. Really, really powerful what it does. Very long range. Let's go back over here. We have QSC, QSys products. This is a camera, Core 24F, 4-channel amplifier from QSys on the QSys line. Over here, this is AI speech. This is an AI-powered ceiling microphone array, beamforming. A lot of capabilities with the processor you can cancel out locations that don't need to take in audio. Very, very powerful, new product. One IES show, Best of IES show. And yeah, this is Empire Pro, where we sell over 100 brands, and we're lucky to be interviewed by rAVe this InfoComm. Check us out at empirepro.com. We'd love to help you out. Cheers.